Welcome to the WBP Masterclass. So today's topics, I'm going to talk about how you can get the most out of WhatsApp across the customer journey. So let's take an online shop as an example. So from here, I'm going to analyze from start to finish what a customer journey is, and then inside the journey, how you can benefit from building engagement on WhatsApp. Okay, so in an entire journey, so we start with awareness. So when you're starting to get the customer to be aware of your brand, you can make use of WhatsApp entry points. What does that mean? So you can make use of different CTAs on websites. You can make use of QR codes. You can make use of emails to trigger users to head to your WhatsApp, and then to get engaged with your WhatsApp chatbot. So once on your WhatsApp, so let's say they have been triggered by an advertisement on with a CTA, call to action button on Facebook. And then when they click contact us or learn more about the product because they're interested in, they head into the WhatsApp, and then the WhatsApp will have a chatbot that will explain the product information, and perhaps it will directly give them the promotions about a product they are interested in. So it leads to the consideration stage, and then to the third stage where you actually do make the sales and make the sales process conversations, and where you can make them do the purchase. In WhatsApp, you can actually send a payment link directly or use card on file maybe for recurring purchases. So if they have paid before through WhatsApp, they can pay it again just by a click. Okay, so or if it is not a simple product, maybe it's a car, it's a real estate, then you can activate your sales to push for the deal closed. So let's say you can arrange a test drive with a salesperson. You can arrange a site visit for real estate. So there's a lot of possibility that you can make on WhatsApp. And then later on, once you have gained once you have closed the deals, you want to take care of your customer, because later on you want them to come back again. You want them to give them a good service. You want them to make sure the products they buy are delivered on time, or you just in general, you want them to love your business. So basically, you need to give a really good customer care. And on WhatsApp, you can receive service requests. You can deliver messages like shipping updates to them to make sure to let them be confident that their product is being shipped out properly. So this part is the care part. And then next part, you want to gain their loyalty, because once they become recurring customers, you want them to be more stickier than ever, and you want them to spend more money. And what drives them to spend more money? You can give them exclusive promotions. You can make them join loyalty club to earn points by spending more money, and you can give them more information. So basically, every step of the way through WhatsApp, you can do it. You can build the engagement to fulfill your customers' journey. Okay. Okay, so there are different touch points that you can make use of, as I mentioned just then, but I'm going to mention again. So there are some touch points you can map out throughout the customer journey, where exactly you can steer user behavior, where you can turn a touch point into an active engagement. So pre-purchase, when they are asking questions, this is the perfect point where you can guide your user to certain products and services that you are selling, and this is a one way to attract them, to wow them. Oh wow, this product is actually good, after you provide the information about it. And during the purchase, it is really important that you can complete a purchase within the same experience. So WhatsApp can allow you to do that, or you can schedule an appointment easily on WhatsApp just by replying the time, dates, and contact information, and then you will get an appointment just by building a WhatsApp chatbot to do so. And then for post-purchase, which is the next step, you can get product and service support instantly. Basically, when user wants to find some service support, they can just contact a live chat agent, or maybe it is just a generic workflow. You can put the automation into WhatsApp just to do it. And then also, if they want to comment about a product, they can also do so in WhatsApp. So there are different customer journey touch points that you can manipulate on WhatsApp. Okay, so here are some top 20 contact drivers for calls, emails, live chat, and other contact channels. So we are extracting these top 20 contact drivers, and then we are using a chocolate store as an example, and to see how you can make use of these contact drivers and build in your WhatsApp experience on it. So basically, during a call from a chocolate store, or maybe like from emails or even live chat, in the old ways to do so, you will have password reset. You might ask for adding loyalty points after purchase. You may ask for when your loyalty points will expire. Sometimes in live chat, you will ask what kind of ingredients there is in some product X or Y. So these are like different specific questions that they will ask. Your customer would ask you to do it through calls, emails, live chat, and other contact channels. These are the old ways. But imagine that all of these things can be done in WhatsApp. Okay, so basically, password reset is quite easy. We just click a button on WhatsApp, and then you ask them to verify your identity, and then you just type in your new password, and then you'll reset your password. For loyalty points expiration, then it's even more easy. You just retrieve the loyalty points from your chocolate store CRM, and then display it on WhatsApp whenever the user is asking for it. So everything should be easy. So when they just type in the messages, ask a particular question, it should instantly be showing it out. Instead, if you're calling, if you're using emails, if you're using live chat, it will take a long time. All of these things should be automated. In this way, it will keep the customer happy, and they are willing to engage with your business because it is convenient, it is fast. They do not need to wait in a call for 20 minutes. So basically, you can understand different hotspots during the along the customer journey, and then utilize this hotspot into WhatsApp business platform directly. Okay, so here are more specific use cases that that would inspire you to apply WBP into your business. So basically, pre-purchase, they would ask a lot about product information, warranty. They would ask about available sizes if you're selling clothes. They will ask about the link to a product page. They would even find a store or provider nearby. Do you know that in WhatsApp, if you share your location, we could actually get your longitude and latitude, and then we can pinpoint of using logic, obviously, and automation. We can pinpoint all the stores nearby just by you sharing your location. So basically, it is really convenient if you put your experience in a rich and interactive platform like WhatsApp platform. So this is some of the pre-purchase options that you can try to utilize. So in the purchase options, as you can see in the example, right away you can buy it on WhatsApp. Okay, you have different payment options, different checkout options. As I've mentioned before, in WhatsApp business platform, you can make use of card on file or you can make use of the payment link, external payment link that will drive user to a payment website based on the things they've picked up, and then they pay for it. And then card on file, as I mentioned before, it is the function where we can store your card information for quick checkout. Okay, and also you can check for stock availability just by typing the product inside the chatbot, and then we can search the stock availability as long as you have integrated your inventory to WhatsApp. After you have paid, it's even awesome. You can get the payment confirmation through WhatsApp. You don't need to wait for emails or SMS. Sometimes they don't even send out in these channels because they're so unstable. In WhatsApp, you have 99% stability, where you can almost guarantee you can receive a confirmation, important documents that you can store up later on for reference. So for customer care options, so I'm not sure if you understand, if you have experienced this when you buy from an online shop and when you have bought something from it. The hardest part is waiting, because unlike offline shop, you go to your site, you pay for something, you get the product immediately on the shopping bag, and then you leave. But on online shopping is different. You need to wait for your shipment. So sometimes when you're waiting, you are most anxious about the product. And what makes you more comfortable is that you get to know where your product is right now, whether it is being delivered, whether it is being delayed. So you want to know where it is, because you have paid for it, but you don't have it yet. So post-purchase, the customer care use case, one of the best thing is to get your order status. You can get the shipping tracking number. In case you have second thoughts, you can change your order. You can once you receive your order, you can even request for return. So these things can be automated. You do not need to wait for 2 to 3 days for someone to process it. WhatsApp can help you to do it. Just type in the words, the keywords, and then WhatsApp will help you to automate the process. As long as you integrate your eShop into the customer journey, it can be done. You can ask your BSP to help you to do so, and the entire process, I guarantee you, will helps your customer care satisfaction boost up a lot. Okay, so the final part is loyalty. Loyalty, as I mentioned, loyalty club is really a very good way to push for more spending. If you spend more money, you get more points. If you get more points, you can spend your points in the next spending. It's keep going. It's like a rolling ball. So basically, if you get more points, you have more benefits, and this is how it works. And then also you can subscribe to club membership. You can redeem points after your purchase. So different loyalty use case that you can make use of in WhatsApp. So basically, you don't need to log into your website and check the points. You can just simply talk to the WhatsApp chatbot, and then you can get your points. Okay. So this is the end of my masterclass on how to get the most out of WhatsApp across the customer journey. I hope you feel inspired in how you can make use of WhatsApp, this technology, to build up a really good use case for a customer or even for your own business. So let's move on to the next topic.